In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Zapier with Instagram. As a powerful tool, Zapier allows you to automate tasks between different apps, making your workflow more efficient. Whether you're looking to streamline your social media processes or connect various apps to Instagram seamlessly, this tutorial will guide you through the essential steps to get started. First, you'll want to navigate to the Zapier homepage. From your browser, simply enter the Zapier URL, and once you're there, you'll notice the dashboard that puts a variety of automation options at your fingertips. The main feature we'll focus on today is the creation of a Zap, which is essentially an automated workflow connecting Instagram to another app or platform. Next, let's click on the button labeled Zap on the dashboard. This will take you into the Zap editor where the magic happens. Here you'll be able to set up the actions and triggers that define what your Zap will do. A critical step is to click on the trigger option. The trigger serves as the catalyst for your Zap. It's the event that sets everything in motion. In the search bar, type in Instagram, and from the list of options, you'll select Instagram for Business. This option is crucial as it ensures you're connecting with the right platform tailored for brands and businesses. Once you've selected Instagram for Business, you'll need to connect your business profile. Zapier will prompt you to log into your Instagram account and grant the necessary permissions. Make sure you're logged in as the correct business account to avoid any access issues later on. After successfully connecting your Instagram account, continue by clicking on Choose an Event. Here, you'll select the event New Media Posted in My Account. This will ensure that whenever you post new content to Instagram, the Zap gets triggered, executing any actions you've set up thereafter. Now it's time to configure the details. Click on Configure and then Choose Value. Here, you will specify the account you want to use for this Zap. You can manually type it in or select from the list if you've previously connected accounts via Zapier. To ensure everything is set up correctly, proceed by clicking on Test. This step allows you to verify that your trigger is functioning as expected. You'll perform a test trigger, which checks for any recent media posted on your Instagram and confirms that Zapier can detect newly posted content. And there you have it. With these steps, you've successfully set up a Zap that links Instagram with other applications, paving the way for automated processes that save you time and effort. Remember, thoughtful automation is key to enhancing productivity and freeing up your time for more creative pursuits. Enjoy the newfound efficiency that comes with leveraging Zapier for your social media management.